So on the Mentor application, if we go to the mode section, we have a section called as groups. In this, the groups to which this user or mentor has been invited to, the listing appears. Default group by default comes under the heading of your groups, and under the invited groups heading, these groups to which I have been invited to, they do appear, and it shows the group name and the number of members in that group. Suppose that group name is team A building, and if I click on join, then that team that group gets removed from the invited group listing and adds on to your group's listing. Similarly, I'll click on together group also join button. So it will just get removed from this invited group listing and will join under the see all your group listing. In see all, I can see all the groups which I have. If I want to just view the group once, so I can click on this group. I can see the details of the group, that is the group name, the people who are in this group, number of posts here, and I can also click on join group from this button. So it gets removed from the listing of invited and gets added up in this listing. Now in your group, if I go to a group, I can see the details here. I can see what are the activities which I have created, or any person who is there in the group, like two members are there, those members activities I can see. If I wish to create a post, with some content I have created here, I'll click on the create and I'll create a post here. The created post gets visible here with the name of the mentor with the timeline, and here in a group I can just like a post, or I can just comment on a post. The comment which I add on here is visible here. I can also edit the comment, and this way I can just, and the time is also getting updated here. And in a group, if I post, I have the option to edit and delete the post as we do in the newsfeed section. This post, which is of Rakesh Verma 1 month ago, it's a post of a different user. So if I click on the three dots, I have option just to report that one. The reported post will be available to the admin, and the admin will take action accordingly. And if I wish to invite any other person onto this group, I can click on this invite, and the invite members listing opens up here. Here, if people are from your cluster, then those people will be visible, and I can invite the corresponding people. Like if the listing will come, and I just have to say click on invite, and the notification of invite will go to the corresponding person. If I wish to unjoin this group, then I can click on the top, there is an unjoin button on the blue bar on the top. uh, I'll click on unjoin, and that group gets removed from the listing. In this, I can see the group got removed from the listing, and I have unjoined the group, I have left that group. That's it for group section.